Your whole body shakes, your core is on fire, and somehow you're only 15 seconds into your plank. You grind every day, you push yourself harder, and yet your time barely improves. Most people think planking longer comes from more effort, but that's a lie. There are 5 secrets that turn a shaky 20-second struggle into a rock-solid, unbreakable hold, and once you learn them, you'll never train the same again. Secret number 1. Engage your core before you even start. The plank doesn't begin when you hit the floor. It begins the moment your muscles switch on. If you drop into the position without activating your abs, your body collapses way earlier than it should. A strong plank is built in the first 2 seconds, not the last 20. Secret number 2. Spread the tension. Don't dump all the load on your shoulders. Squeeze your legs, tighten your glutes, pull your elbows toward your toes. Lock your body like a single solid board. When every muscle shares the work, suddenly the position feels lighter, and your endurance skyrockets. Secret number 3. Your breathing controls your endurance. Most people hold their breath. That's why they burn out fast. Inhale deep, exhale slowly. Let your breath stabilize the position. When your breathing is steady, your mind stays calm, and your body lasts longer than you expect. Secret number 4. Use smart progression. Stop doing one long plank until you fall apart. That only teaches your body how to fail. Do this instead. 30 seconds, rest 15. 30 seconds, rest 15, 30 seconds. Next week, add just 5 seconds. Tiny increases, massive results. 2 weeks later, your strength will double without even noticing. Secret number 5. Stop chasing time. Start chasing tension. A long plank with bad form builds nothing. A short plank with high tension builds everything. If you really want strength, add variations. Side plank, plank reach, plank walkout. Your core gets stronger, your time increases automatically. Not because you forced it, but because your body is finally prepared for it. And remember, don't measure progress by how long you can suffer. Measure it by how much control you can hold. Because once your form is locked in, your endurance doesn't just improve, it doubles on its own.